Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As Christmas is soon approaching, I bring you a Christmas special series, Foodmas. The first recipe of the series was chocolate plum cake. Do check out the video. In today's video, we are going to see the recipe for paneer tikka and chicken tikka along with mint chutney. The marinade for paneer and chicken will be the same. Let's get cooking. First, let's look into the ingredients for the marinade. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add juice of half a lime. Add salt as required and mix all the ingredients together to form a thick marinade. Add half a teaspoon of chaat masala and mix. Here I have taken 200 grams of boneless chicken cleaned and cut into 2-inch cubes. Add this into the marinade. Next I have 1 onion cut into large cubes and layers separated. Then I have half of each of yellow, red and green capsicum also cut into large cubes. Add this into the marinade as well. Now mix everything together so that all the chicken pieces are well coated with the marinade. Now that the marination is done, close it with a lid and let it marinate for overnight in refrigerator. You can do this a day before your Christmas party so that on the day of the party you just have to cook this in an oven or a pan. Next I am preparing the marinade again for the paneer tikka by adding the same ingredients. Mix it well and the marinade is ready. Here I have 200 grams of paneer cut into 2-inch cubes. Add this into the marinade. Next I have onions, red, yellow, green capsicum cut into large cubes. Add this as well. Mix everything so that paneer is well coated with the marinade and be gentle so that paneer doesn't break. Let the paneer marinate overnight in refrigerator. I have taken out the marinated chicken. Here I have some bamboo skewers which needs to be soaked in water for 2 hours so that it won't burn while cooking. Let's start skewering the chicken. Take 1 bamboo skewer, add 1 piece of chicken, then add 1 cube of capsicum and onion. Again add a piece of chicken. Repeat with capsicum and onion. Make sure to get different colors of capsicum on one skewer. So here I have 1 chicken tikka skewer ready. I have placed this in a non-stick plate spread with half teaspoon of oil so that the tikka won't stick to the pan. Let's prepare another chicken skewer in the same way. Repeat the same process with paneer tikka. Here I have 2 skewers of chicken and 2 skewers of paneer ready. This will go in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, just turn over the skewer once. You can also cook this in a pan on medium flame. Keep turning the skewers in between to cook on all sides. After about 20 minutes, chicken tikka and paneer tikka is ready. Now let's see how I make the mint chutney. In a blender jar, add 1 cup of coriander leaves, half cup of mint leaves, 1 green chilli, half inch of ginger, half teaspoon of dry roasted cumin seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of hung curd and salt as required. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Grind this into a fine paste. The chutney at this point is very thin. So to add some thickness, in a bowl I have taken 1 tablespoon of hung curd and add the chutney into this. Mix it well. Check for salt and chaat masala and your chutney is ready. Serve the hot chicken and paneer tikka with mint chutney. If you liked the video, click on the like button and share the video with family and friends. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new videos. Thank you for watching.